Why winter facial is a must if you want to keep your skin healthy and glowing and not so dry in the winter. Because with the change of the season, there is a shift in your skin as well. Obviously, I'm sure you all experience this more dry and like maybe more flaky or irritated, or everyone experiences different, but we all feel the change in the seasons from the warm and the more humid season to the cold and dry. And we have to change the way we approach our skincare as well. So a facial is super important during this time to keep your skin happy and glowing, and a winter is a perfect time to cocoon in and let someone pamper you and glow you. So really, I think that the benefit of not having a direct sun can really make the facial even more effective on your skin, because you don't have to fight sun damages, and although you have to wear sun protection, but there are benefits in this cold, because pigmentation can go a little bit lower, so that's good. But facials are not just to pamper your skin, and they must be personalized to you and suits your skin needs, and especially address what you are, what worries you maybe, and what appears on your skin. So what are the benefits of winter facial, and how often should you do facial in the winters? So why does the skin need extra love in winter actually? Because with the winter there's this coldness and dryness in the air, and it sucks out all the moisture from your skin and leave the skin dry and patchy. And there are as well harmful rays of sun, even though it's invisible, especially let's say you go skiing, you know that how much it's direct on your skin. That's why, again, SPF every day of the year is your best friend. And so there must be a change in your routine. If the season change, you change, right? That's how it goes. So what the skin needs in this time of the year, and what's the facial will benefit is, first one, it gives nutrition boost to your skin. No matter how much you try, you cannot protect your skin from the dryness and the cold and the wind of the winter. So to maintain its texture and health, your skin needs some essential nutritions, and that is comes on during your facial, because a facial will help to bring these nutritions much deeper to your skin. And these products not only provide the anti-aging benefits, but they also tackle skin inflammations, sun damages, and help improve the skin barriers, what protects the skin to be better and stronger, which is something that is very hard to do with regular skincare at home. The second benefit is exfoliation, and it's removing the dead skin cells, which are preventing the new skin from coming out, from receiving the nutrition that it needs, and when you have a lot of dead skin cells, the skin looks tired and patchy and not very glowing. So with the facial, we do a deeper cleaning. We remove all the dead skin cells in order to renew the cells. The third thing is the deep pore cleansing. You don't want to do that at home. No, your skin is not soft, it's not clean, your hands are not clean, you're going to create scars. So when we have the pores that are blocked, it leads a clogged pore, and you know that it can create acne, or just not so nice, like a lot of blackheads and stuff, and they damage your skin from acne to breakouts. There's just various of skin issues when your pores are clogged. So facial is always deep cleansing and always does it better than you can do at home, trust me. The fourth benefit is adding massive hydration to your skin. Excessive dry skin is common during the different climate of with the winter, and with the chill in the air and the heaters at home, your skin tend to lose the water and the moisture, and dry skin comes with its own sets of problems that leads to irritation and itchiness and redness. And during a facial, we're going to really kind of inject a lot of hydration that no product at home can do for you. And another thing is, during a facial, I always do a face massage, and a massage, besides being like the best part, I guess, of the facial, it wakes up the skin. It brings more blood. It helps detoxing everything out of the skin, because the blood circulation is faster, and it just makes the skin so supple and nice, and it's amazing. And the last benefit, of course, it's fun. It feels so good to let go and allow someone else to take care of you, and stepping out feeling and looking beautiful. And we want to say thank you for winter dryness. So facials are truly a must in this season, and you are very, very welcome to lay down and receive.